Dynamic Cnlinko highlights technology. A steady developing enterprise, an excellent team for technology and quality as the core. 10 years of good faith management has been achieved. Cnlinko Electric Company Limited. Cnlinko Electric with the pulse of the times, based on professional, dedicated in line with the development and design connectors, complying with customers' supreme principle of design, developing Cnlinko brand, realize business development in Shenzhen, in China, even in the whole world. The company has a number of years engaged in professional connectors design, R&D team, and the high-precision testing equipments. Moreover, we select international top-class raw materials and choose the right suppliers of spare parts, so as to ensure the stability and reliability of the product performance. Strict standardization and keep on improving mode ensures that each Cnlinko brand product meets the high quality requirements. At the same time, Cnlinko can design and customize products according to customers' demand. Customer satisfaction is our final goal. Our advantage: 1. Using high-precision measuring device to manage and control product's size and real-time monitor testing environmental performance of electrical properties, the mechanical properties, passing certification of UL, CSA, TUV, VDE and other international certification standards to ensure every product standardization. 2. Passing test of contact resistance, insulation, temperature rise and other electrical performance to ensure the safety of products while in normal use of the process. 3. Passing of test of the insertion force, durability, vibration, and impact mechanical properties to guarantee the performance stability of the product in the continuous use of the process and the strong impact of adaptability. Passing test of torsion, tension test to ensure that each product is stable and reliable protection. 4. Passing test of the highest and lowest temperature, the IP level environmental performance to ensure the feasibility of our products can be used in the 150 degrees to 40 degrees below zero and other harsh environments. 5. The company adopts the standard production line and lean production model and 100% inspection to ensure delivery, quality, and reliability of products. Lean production, lean sales, lean management is Cnlinko's business philosophy. Cnlinko promise all customer interests as the core, using safe logistics transportation and timely tracking and maintenance. Cnlinko will continue to provide advanced electrical connection scheme, as well as service every customer and global channel with high-quality products and advanced technology.
走向世界，服务全球，我们一起努力，耶！
Cnlinko, still keep trying.